Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to configure DNAT on Palo Alto firewall. We can remote access from outside to the Windows server inside the network, right? Okay, so the first we need to create the NAT policy on the Palo Alto firewall. And this is my Palo Alto network, and then so we go to the policies and to create the NAT for the policy access from outside to the internal network. Okay, right here you need to click add the new NAT for the policies, and general NAT you can use the name of your NAT policies. So right here I use the name DNAT to Windows Server 2016. Yes, you can give the name any that you want. So about the original package, you need to select the source zone and destination zone and the destination address. So you need to click add, and then so you need to select WAN zone for the traffic outside to inside your network. And then the destination zone right here you select the WAN also, because the traffic goes through the WAN. So yes, you need to select the interface right here is the interface that connected to your internet link, right? Yes, I select Ethernet 1.1, and then on the translate package section, you can leave default on the source address translation because you don't want to translate. So right here we use uh, the destination address to translate from the public IP endpoint to your Windows server in the local network, right inside the network. So right here I put the Windows server IP that I have assigned on it, and with the specific port for the remote desktop, right? Yeah, and this is the uh, translation port for the ODP remote desktop 33 and 89. Okay, and then we select OK. So after you create the DNAT policies on the firewall, the second thing is you need to create the secure policy for traffic access to your inside network or inside your server. Okay, right here you need to click to add the security policy. You need to click add, and then you give the policy name. Easy for you to understand what the purpose of the policy. So right here I use the allow remote desktop. Yeah, so right here you need to select source. So you need to click add, right? So what where is the source coming from, right? Yeah, it's coming from through WAN. And then so I leave right here default, and for the destination you need to select the specific destination that your traffic goes through. So the destination traffic from WAN to WAN destination. And then for the application you need to select the remote network Microsoft ODP, right? Yeah, you need to select the service. Oh, sorry. You need to select the destination address. Right here, you need to select the destination address for outside to the inside. So for the application, you need the specific only Microsoft ODP for the remote desktop application service only. Yeah, you don't need to add another service. Yeah, this is the when you the keyword, it will drop down, and for the service you default and the action allow. So after we create a security policy, you can move the policy to the top, or you can, because somehow it can cause the issue. So you need to uh, move the policy to the top. Yeah. So the policy we have created allow remote desktop. Okay, after we create the policy, need to commit change. Yeah, you need to, yeah, commit change to post the firewall to change the configuration. So right here, I saw my local PC that I used to remote desktop to inside the network for my Windows server. Yeah, this is my local IP address, and I try to remote with the public IP. Yeah. So the right here is the remote desktop connection is failed because we will not yet commit the policy change right here. It is failed, so we commit to post the configuration to the firewall. Please wait some time. Could be take a bit long. Okay, right here is some issue related to DNAT destination. Yeah, you need to check the errors based on the error right here. Error on DNAT destination address. So you need to check specific. Yeah, destination address, right? The message a moment. Yeah, you need to add the destination address. So the destination address right here is the address that connected to WAN link. I mean the WAN interface, right? Yeah. Okay, and then we check and verify translated package, and then click OK. Yes, we need to commit again. After commit and post the firewall is complete, we can test again it to make sure it can remote and check the log to verify. So the commit change is successful, and then I try to remote desktop, right? Yes, it can accessible. So you need to put the administrator and password. Oh, error related to the authentication. Let's try it again to access again. It still face error. Okay, maybe it's something wrong on my Windows server. So I need to open my Windows server to check what is wrong, why the service is not properly, right? So this error right here, you need to uncheck. Yeah, you need to uncheck right here. And then, okay, try to connect again. Put the password, and let's see the result. Okay, now I can remote to my Windows server inside the network, right? Yes, yeah, this is the Windows server. So the username incorrect, and please try it again. So, and yeah, right here you need to try the local administrator for the Windows server, right? Yeah, you can log in, right? So now we go to check the log to verify what we have configured and about the traffic is success connected to the internal network. I mean the inside network. Yeah, this is the log. So the action allow an application Microsoft RDP, right? Hit the rule is allow remote desktop, and you can see the specific source IP address from my local PC 20.39. This is my local PC. Yeah, so yeah, now we can remote successful to the internal network, and that's all for me. I think this video is helpful, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will keep post the video like this for the future. Okay, thank you, and see you for next session. Yeah, bye bye.